Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's lever video update for 27 July. So we actually met the technical target previously. Nearly we just came down a little bit of an inch left close to actually end up this candlestick. So came down and now we're starting to move up. So the question really is it time to continue to the upside? Okay. Now, I do remember what I said in the last video, and that is the reversal to the downside. So let's talk about that reversal still. It could be in play at the moment. So you're really forming some sort of a double bottom here, and I'm actually going to address this double bottom as well. But don't be excited anytime soon, not just yet. So I want to bring in the bottom here to the top right there. And yep, now you're crossing the golden ratio. Okay, so this is exactly what you wanted to see. You're really coming back up, holding the golden ratio at the moment, and that's actually something very positive. And you might actually start to make another leg to the upside as well. So we're not looking absolutely bad. We're actually kind of making that positive movement. But what I'm going to say is you came down, went up, came down, maybe make a double bottom, come up a little bit up here to 3630. And that's where I reckon you might end up putting in a little bit of a W and a double bottom. So if you do actually come up here, that's when you might consider trading if you do make the breakout as well. So from there to there, you might be looking for a pump up here to this level to the 4739. If you actually just come up and break this level and hold it as well, then that could be a 30% move to the upside, right? And that's it for today's lever video update. I'm going to see you in the next one. I love this.